How to use HeyGen AI to change language. If you want to translate your video into another language using HeyGen, here's exactly how to do it step by step. Step 1. Go to heygen.com and sign in. If you don't have one yet, create a free account to get started. Step 2. Once you're in your dashboard, click on Video Translate. This feature allows you to translate your existing videos into over 175 languages with AI-generated voiceovers and lip syncing. Step 3. You can upload a video from your device or import one directly from Google Drive or YouTube. Make sure the video has clear audio and that the speaker's face is visible for optimal lip sync accuracy. Step 4. After uploading, select the language you want to translate your video into. HeyGen supports a wide range of languages and dialects, ensuring your content resonates with diverse audiences. Step 5. If your video features multiple speakers, specify the numbers so HeyGen can assign appropriate voices to each speaker. And once you've set your preferences, click on Translate this video.